Managing anxiety stress for people like us is very hard, but here are a few methods that can help you relax your mind and regulate your stress. Hello, everyone. I am Natasha, and I would like to speak to you all about having anxiety and stress at the same time. I would like to just give you some techniques you can do to manage both. I suffer from anxiety disorder 1, and sometimes it is hard to deal with anxiety because you never know when you'll be up and down at the moment. Anxiety is not always triggered by stress, but it plays a very big part of anxiety. Stress and anxiety are both common experiences that a lot of people face daily. Some techniques that I can recommend are deep breathing, exercising, and meditation. Regular exercise can help lower stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins. It doesn't have to be a full-blown exercise. It can be simple. Simple as sit-ups, jumping jacks, and squats, just to name a few, for about 15 to 20 minutes a day. What I like to do is deep breathing. Deep breathing is a mental stress that activates your sympathetic nervous system, signaling your body to go in fight or flight mode. Deep breathing can also help activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which controls your relaxation response. With deep breathing, you could just count 1, 2, 3 for inhale and hold, then 3, 2, 1 for exhale and hold. Breathing in and out is one of my favorites because not only does it help keep you level-headed, but it also regulates your heart rate. For my last technique, meditation, I want you to start by sitting comfortably with your feet on the ground, your legs crossed like a pretzel, and your hands on your lap. Turn on some calm music and close your eyes. Follow your breathing. Observe what your mind is thinking and feeling. Don't ever judge or try to change your thoughts while meditating. Towards the end of all of this process, set all these feelings and thoughts aside, allowing a deeper sense of self to emerge as you achieve your freedom from your thoughts. Make sure you're more familiarize yourself with these signs that you are more stressed about than you realize. Just relax your mind. That's all you have to do. Let's continue watching the rest of the video. Woo! What a workout! Sometimes meditation and deep breathing techniques are not enough, and people like us feel like they need something more relaxing or more fun. Let's go over and talk with Emily about yoga. Bye, everyone.